Starting around 30 September 2023, Dogecoin explicitly is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.03% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Doge basically has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $8,785,545,133 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $115,071,906, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. This especially makes Dogecoin, Doge, most certainly positioning at 9 in the digital currency market, showing that Doge basically has a kind of all-out market cap of $8,785,545,133, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $115,071,906, which sort of is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin really be in every practical sense worth in 2023, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is Dogecoin an essentially wise venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023, which sort of is very critical? Will Doge cost especially outperform its unequaled high in an unobtrusive manner? These really are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost in a real sense is supposed to generally cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.093, the normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to sort of be $0.089, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Doge can essentially arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.098. Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin especially is supposed to sort of be at around a truly least of $0.072, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost can really arrive at a truly limit of $0.082, with the exceptionally normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin by and large is really anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, showing how might Doge cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Doge cost could for the most part arrive at a really greatest worth of $0.085, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, demonstrating the way that Dogecoin cost can especially arrive at a by and large limit of $0.082, with the really normal cost of $0.080 in United States dollars amazingly. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.086, which fundamentally is very huge. Dogecoin value forecast November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin fundamentally is basically anticipated to explicitly reach at a very least worth of $0.086 in November 2023 in a kind of significant way. The Doge cost could truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.093, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin sort of is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at a very least worth of $0.089 in December 2023, which for the most part shows that this explicitly makes Dogecoin, Doge, beautiful positioning at 9 in the digital currency market, exhibiting that Doge generally has an in every practical sense all-out market cap of $8,785,545,133 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $115,071,906 in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could generally arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin for the most part passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been truly diminished by 0.51% in its genuinely current worth and in every practical sense, significant way. Assuming that we truly look at the very current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cover by and large is likewise down. So in the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin in a real sense be fundamentally worth in 2023? From absolute most recent 7 days the Doge sort of was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.98%. So in the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin generally be exceptionally worth in 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Dogecoin really has shown extremely major areas of strength for lovely all goals and purposes potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to essentially dive right in and contribute, which certainly is genuinely critical. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge truly diminished by 34.481%, dispensing with an incredible typical amount of $0.033 from its really current worth, which basically is very huge. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a decent generally purchase a potential open door for speedy interest in an especially large manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 27.97%, and the cost commonly circled from a base in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.085 to sort of most extreme normal cost of $0.088 in the specific beyond 90 days, showing how in the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every way that really matters is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin essentially be exceptionally worth in 2023 in every way that really matters, significant way? Dogecoin by and large is somewhere near 12.97% with the fundamentally greatest, by and large normal cost of the coin basically was around $0.076 and the for the most part least sort of typical cost of really was around $0.073 in especially beyond 4 months. Which by and large is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value conjecture 2023 facts. What will sort of be Dogecoin genuinely worth in 2023, which fundamentally is very huge. The Doge cost especially is estimated to in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of $0.098 with sort of least cost of $0.089 toward the finish of 2023. Which in every way that really matters shows that this generally makes Dogecoin, Doge, genuinely positioning at 9 in the digital currency market, exhibiting that Doge for the most part has an all things considered all-out market cap of $8,785,545,133 with the